The Kashmiris were promised over 7 decades ago their right to self-determination, and it's now crucial that, like I said before, this is a turning point when we saw the unilateral revocation of Article 370 and 35A. There was only one reason that happened, and that was to try to quash जो कश्मीरी struggle है उसको हमेशा के लिए quash करे. And some of the language we're seeing internationally is beginning to change, but we cannot allow for that. And I believe our government in particular has a moral and historical duty. That's why I tabled an early day motion in Parliament, which is the support of around 30 MPs and has been moved by the all-party parliamentary group, which again demands we are looking to do further debates in Parliament, both in Westminster Hall and the main chamber, and continue to make sure that the voice of the Kashmiris is heard loud and clear, and it's only the Kashmiris that have that right, and the international community must now up its efforts.